Ciao e buongiorno. Today I will be making a super simple fresh pasta and Italian sausage with lots of Parmesan fettuccine pasta recipe. This recipe serves 3. So I'm starting out by measuring approximately what is going to be 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Oh my god. So I'm going to kind of with my flour. Take my 2 eggs.
Make my money on my own, yeah. Waking up 5 in the morning, yeah. No money in the oven, yeah. Fuck sleep and his cousin, yeah. I've been on the roll, yeah. Spend my money like it's stolen, yeah. Shit, I'm already broken. It's only 7:45 in the morning, yeah.
Here's the final kneaded product. You can check for the elasticity of the gluten here. Then I'm just going to cover this for about an hour or so. Now I'm going to just toss a bit more flour so they don't stick together before I cover with a cloth so that it doesn't lose moisture before cooking. And then just leave it like this. Okay, so now I've lined up all the ingredients I'm going to use for sauce. Olive oil, Parmesan, heavy whipping cream, milk, basil, optional for garnishment, tomato paste, garlic, oregano, salt, pepper, red chili flakes, and of course a bunch of Italian sausage.
You won't think of words when you write it up. You just hear me singing the song. You think that's okay, you just sing along. You just copy everything we do. If I wasn't me, I'd copy me too. You just copy everything we do. If I wasn't me, I'd copy me too.
I'm also going to add about 3 cloves of garlic. Now that the tomatoes cooked off a bit, we're going to turn on the heat and add some of our heavy whipping cream, as well as a touch of milk.
I'm so bored.
Just so it's not too thick.
Cereal, try my best to be physical. Lose myself in a TV show, staring out to oblivion. All my friends are invisible, 24/7 missing more. I might cry like a waterfall. I feel afraid when I feel alone, yeah. Have sex me and my Romeo. He says I'm irresistible. I'm gassed up like I'm physical. I write. Sometimes I feel okay, some days I'm so frightened. I run anthems, stay nice like this, New York. I sleep, wanna wake up brand new. I sleep, wanna wake up with you. I run anthems, stay nice like this, New York. Finally, wanna so far, we might be even closer. These days exhausting, go online shopping, I'm so uninspired. I just wanna breathe, silence in the trees, good all on my knees, got some hands to.
I am now adding my sausage to.
I hear no sounds when I'm shouting. I just wanna go to parties, all the high, wanna feel the heat from all the bodies. I run anthems, stay nice like this, New York. I sleep, wanna wake up brand new. I sleep, wanna wake up with.
Fresh basil for garnish. Top with some more Parmesan and some chopped up basil.
Mwah!